installation of Windows 10 and Kali Linux in VMware Workstation. In this video we are going to learn how to install Windows operating system inside VMware and how you can install Kali Linux operating system inside VMware Workstation. So we will start with Windows as well as Kali Linux. I will show you that how you can install both of them simultaneously inside VMware Workstation. So guys, in the previous video we have seen that how you can download Windows 10 and Kali Linux inside your machine, and I have saved both ISO of Windows 10 machine as well as Kali Linux machine inside my drive. And Windows 10 is basically directly we got the ISO drive. Inside Kali Linux we got the zip file, so you can right click here, click extract here, and when you will click extract here you will get this folder. You will open this folder. So these are the files available inside Kali Linux, and this is Windows 10 ISO. So I'm going to show you Windows 10 as well as Kali Linux installation inside VMware machine. Quite simple. I'm not going to show you all the process. I will show you the starting process of setting the lab, setting the installation, and then it will automatically install. So here I am at VMware Workstation. First of all, let me show you the Windows one. So click File, click New Virtual Machine, like recommended, and here you can select the second option, click Browse, go to the same directory inside OS. This is Windows 10 ISO file, select it, click Open, hit Next, change the name, you can type any name like Windows, click Next, provide it the space at least 60 GB, click Store Virtual Disk as a single file, and you can click Next, click Customize. We can customize the hardware, and 2 GB is fine. The RAM is 2 GB. You can change it to Bridge, and everything is fine. So now you can click Close, and then you can click Finish. That's it. Now it will create a disk for Windows 10 machine, and it will automatically install inside your virtual machine. You just need to wait, and after installation you will get the Windows 10 machine. So our work is complete from here. Now you just need to wait for the installation. Now let's talk about the Kali Linux. So this is Kali Linux 2018.2 VM AMD 64, right? So if you can double click here, you will get these files here. Now you just need to find out the machine configuration file, where here it is on the 4th number, and you just need to double click on this file. So this is Kali Linux 2018.2 and Windows 10 is installing inside the VMware Workstation. So you just need to touch Windows 10, it is automatically installed, and you can click on power on virtual machine inside Kali Linux. So you can click on I copied it, and you just in Windows you just need to follow the instructions and it will automatically install. In Kali Linux you can click on power on, and after the installation of both machines you can change the adapter in Bridge. So we will work on Bridge network. Now Kali Linux is installing inside our VMware Workstation. In Windows, I already told you, just follow the instructions and it will install automatically. So here it is. So you can see here that it has been installed. Now you can type root is the username inside Kali Linux, and TOOR tour is the password. So root is the username and TOOR is the password. Hit enter. So it will open up inside VMware Workstation. It will now show us the graphical user interface of Kali Linux operating system. Here it is. So you can see here that Kali Linux operating system has been successfully installed inside our VMware Workstation. So guys, Kali Linux has been installed successfully, and here you can see that Windows is also installed successfully inside our VMware Workstation. So this is the way that how you can install Windows as well as Kali Linux inside your VMware Workstation. In the next video, we will learn about that how you can update and upgrade your Kali Linux operating system. Thank you.